We're going to finish up the seamless sports bra, which isn't so seamless. And as a quick recap, the sports bra comes out as a tube of fabric. The inner and outer layers needed to be attached together for ease of construction later on. The Macpi slitter cuts away all the waste, and this is what we're left with. We have a nice finished edge on the bottom with the COATYARN high grip on the inside band. I did get some red fabric from a local supplier that will be used as binding around the armhole and the neck hole. It's my call on how wide I want the binding. I went with a 1 7/8 folder, which gives me around a 3/4 wide binding. The proper thread, stitch density, and differential feed are all critical. After one armhole is bound, the shoulder gets closed. Seam looks good, it's lined up, and now the moment of truth, will it stretch? And it does. If this was a production setting, there would be at least 2 machines attaching binding. The second machine would add the binding around the neck and the other armhole. The last shoulder seam needs to be sewn. It's a thick seam going over 10 layers of fabric at some points. Those knives have to be sharp. A small single needle tack isn't needed, but it's a nice touch. So going back to the point that if I were to do this in production, I'd have 2 machines doing the binding. Inline quality control would make sure both armholes are the same size. We can take it a step further and test the stretch on a sizing machine. We are consistently hitting 30 centimeters of stretch on both armholes. The Dinema sizing machine isn't a weight drop device. As the load cell nears the 5 kilogram set point, the arms slow down to get a true stretch measurement. Stretch was consistent, but more importantly, the seam still looks great and there's no broken threads. Thanks again to Cotton Ink for knitting these down for me. Fit looks good with no gapping on the lower back shoulder blades.